Come here. No? Oh, you're gonna dodge me like that? Swerved. Alright, so I guess most of you guys are wondering why this Supra hasn't been driven by the owner. Huh? So for the new subscribers, this is the Supra that I built for my wife. Mine is right behind the camera. I'll turn it around here in a second. So pretty much, basically, I spent like a year and a half building this Supra, and she is not able to drive it. I'll show you why she can't drive the car. And there we go. Yo, come here. You know, I'm gonna have another sibling. So obviously, but from what you guys can see, we know what the gender is, but we're gonna save that for another video. I got a funny idea that I want to do. This is my wife. This is the person who I built the Supra for. She is. You guys need to thank her, because of her, I'm able to do the whole Supra stuff, build the cars, do the videos. Thank her. While I was building the Supra, you know, she got pregnant, and I guess we both thought maybe I was gonna have to stop for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, midway during the build, we're like, man, maybe it's time to stop. Maybe focus more on creating a savings and, you know, do all that responsible stuff.
That didn't work.
We ain't got time for that. We got Supras to build. So, you know, thankfully she was able to, you know, support what I wanted to do, and hopefully, you know, all this stuff works out. And we continued forward with the build. I mean, we did spend quite a bit of money, especially like on the transmission and stuff. You know, hopefully this is something that you can enjoy.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, soon.
In a few more months.
Here in about, what, 3 months?
Two.
2? 2 to 3 months.
2 to 3 months.
We're not really sure. Baby will be here, and we'll be able to, you know, once a few months pass by, we'll be able to start driving both of these. And, you know, she thinks she can beat me.
I know I can.
So I can guarantee that a race between me and her will happen. We'll do POV videos with her driving, with her learning how to drive the car. We'll do all that stuff. But yeah, this is why you guys haven't seen her drive the car.
With him building this for me, I had to learn about what was going in the car, just so I could, you know, pretty much know what's going on with it. Kind of get to know from the inside out. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say.
Hopefully she learned enough. No, just kidding.
Hopefully.
I mean, what if at any point the car breaks? I mean, obviously I'll fix it right away.
That's what I pay him for.
So I mean, like, the whole point of this is not. I mean, I'm glad that she did her own research and tried to learn about the car, but I mean, that wasn't really what I wanted. I don't want her to like learn all the details. I wanted her just to learn what was done to the car, so in case one of y'all asks, she knows what to tell you.
Yes,
No, but I mean, I honestly just want her to enjoy the car. You know, I think it'll be pretty cool. Me driving my Supra, her driving hers, and then with the baby in each car, I think that'll be pretty awesome. Not when we're racing.
No, definitely not when we're racing.
But yeah, so as you guys can tell, you know, she is camera shy. So was I. I still am, I guess, but after over a year of doing this, I feel a little bit more confident. But she'll get there, hopefully. So the next thing that we wanted to talk about is it's this right here. We're finally doing it. Papa, come here.
Come on, baby.
So this is mini boosted. As you guys can see, we are all sporting our shirts. This is a completely new venture for us. I mean, neither of us have any experience selling merchandise.
True, but we're gonna learn.
We're gonna learn. So I know a lot of people requested this a long time ago, but just we had a lot going on, and I guess I could just But I mean, I guess at the end of the day, I could just make excuses, because I mean, we were able to manage and make some time to do a baby, to take care of another baby, to build 2 Supras, the dogs, and work, and
Yeah.
anyways. So with all that being said, we're gonna start off slow. We're gonna do a very limited supply, and that way we can get some experience with shipping. We can get some experience like with you know, what sizes are going to be needed the most, and as they sell out, we're going to order more. So I'm glad to say I'm not managing this. She's going to be doing everything. I don't have time. You guys want me to build the cars, you guys want me to do videos, she's got to manage it all. So on the description of this video, you guys are going to see an email. Email her if you want a shirt. Get in contact with her, let her know what size you want. If they do sell out, she'll put you on a list, and we'll, you know, once we get some more in, we'll get you taken care of. But yeah, if there's any questions over this stuff, get with her. We also have an Instagram now. It is called Boosted Project Apparel. No, is it an underscore or what is it? Oh yeah, Boosted Project underscore apparel. My bad. We'll get a website up here soon once we get all this stuff situated. But I mean, for now, just email her what you want. You guys can do like a PayPal payment or, you know, Zelle, whatever you guys think is easier.
Well, there's some more items coming out, but they're still in the works. But for now, you know, it's just these shirts. Like we said, there are limited quantities of each sizes. I will be posting all the sizes and the prices on the Instagram account. But yes, just send me a DM and
or an email.
Or an email, and I'll be sending you guys your Booster Project shirt.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna call this the OG shirt, because I mean, hopefully, fingers crossed, we're gonna get a lot of designs coming through. My buddy Stanley, he actually helped me create a few other designs, so we'll get those in the works here pretty soon.
Yes.
Yeah, but there you go. We get pretty much, you know, an update on all of our life. We have another one on the way. Little man's over here. Here, I'll show you guys. He's playing with the old shocks, and then he's got, I don't know what he's doing over here. I think it's safe to say he's gonna be just like his daddy.
Yes.
Alright guys, but that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. You guys saw me drop the motor in finally on my Supra.
Oh, which is a water jug holder and a...
Oh yeah, look, hey, see, man, can you tell we're a Supra family? Whenever you have a pink water jug and then a baby bottle on top. Alright, but that's gonna be it for the video, you guys. You guys finally got to meet the one and only here, and hopefully you guys ask her in the comments, tell her to come out more in the videos.
Oh God, I'm so shy.
She'll warm up to it, but yeah.
It apparently says that when I get nervous, I talk country, so you guys let me know.
Oh yeah. When she gets nervous, she has a country accent. It's so weird. I wonder if it's because we're from Texas, or I don't know what's causing that.
I don't hear it, but you guys tell me.
You're good right now. Alright guys, well, there you go. Get updated you guys on my Supra, us, you know, the whole apparel deal. And I'm gonna be very, very busy for the next, God, I don't even know how long. I got my Supra to finish. We gotta get this baby tuned. I got some stuff for the Eclipse. Got a lot of stuff to do. Got a baby in progress.
Baby in the making.
Baby in the making. But yeah, so stay tuned. I think hopefully probably within the next week or two, I'm gonna do a gender reveal video, which will be pretty fun. But I guess that's gonna be it. So.
And maybe I'll get to drive the Supra before baby gets here. I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see about that. I don't know. Imagine you let out the clutch too fast, the baby's gonna be bouncing everywhere. Yeah. Alright guys, but that's gonna be it. Catch you guys in the next video. Later.
Bye.